Blogging for beginners can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and a bit of know-how, anyone can create and manage a successful blog. In this article, we'll take a look at some of the key elements of blogging and how to get started with your own blog. First and foremost, it's important to understand what blogging is and why it's become such a popular way to share information and connect with others. A blog is a website or section of a website where an individual or group of individuals can share their thoughts, ideas, and experiences with others. Blogs can be about anything and everything, from personal interests and hobbies to news and current events, and they can be used for a variety of purposes, such as personal expression, business promotion, or community building. One of the most important things to consider when starting a blog is your niche or topic. This is the area or subject that your blog will focus on, and it's important to choose something that you're passionate about and knowledgeable about. By selecting a niche that you're truly interested in, you'll be more likely to stick with it and to produce content that your readers will find valuable and engaging. Once you've chosen your niche, you'll need to choose a platform for your blog. There are several options available, including WordPress, Blogger, and Squarespace, but WordPress is the most popular and widely used platform for bloggers. It's free to use, easy to set up and customize, and offers a wide range of features and tools that make it easy to create and manage a professional-looking blog. Once you've set up your blog and chosen a platform, it's time to start creating content. This is the most important part of blogging, and it's essential to produce high-quality, engaging, and informative content that your readers will enjoy. To do this, you'll need to research your topic, come up with unique and interesting ideas, and write in a clear and concise manner. You'll also want to include images, videos, and other multimedia elements to make your blog more visually appealing and engaging. Promotion is another important aspect of blogging. Once you've created your blog and started publishing content, you'll want to share it with others and build a community around your blog. This can be done through social media, guest blogging, and other forms of online marketing. Additionally, you'll want to use SEO, search engine optimization, techniques to make sure that your blog is easily discoverable by search engines and that it ranks well in search results. Finally, it's important to engage with your readers and build a community around your blog. This can be done by encouraging comments and feedback, responding to comments and questions, and building relationships with other bloggers in your niche. By engaging with your readers, you'll be able to build a loyal following and create a sense of community around your blog. In conclusion, blogging for beginners can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of know-how, anyone can create and manage a successful blog. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about, setting up your blog on a platform like WordPress, creating high-quality content, promoting your blog and engaging with your readers, you can build a successful and fulfilling blog. Remember, blogging is a marathon, not a sprint, so be consistent, persistent, and enjoy the process.